Welcome back. Now, Kenya's thorny issue of land featured prominently as the Inequality Conference ended in Accra, Ghana last night.
Yes, analysts say landlessness could yet pose a great threat to the stability of countries across the continent. Here's KTN's Joe Ageo with more from Accra.
On the farms across Zimbabwe, life has changed for many white farmers who once controlled more than 70% of Zimbabwe's arable land. They fell victim to a controversial land reform program that sparked a heated debate across the world. Professor Sam Moyo saw it all, and he says it was an extraordinary solution to an extraordinary problem.
We had about 4,500 large-scale white farmers. We now have close to 200,000 black indigenous farmers, 75% of which are mainly peasant families.
Yet the problem of land is hardly an exclusively Zimbabwean affair. All across Africa, each country has a story to tell about land. Kenyan Senator Bill Okero of Mandera County, who is attending the Pan-African Conference on Inequalities here in Accra, says land is at the center of marginalization of communities such as his, where people own much of it but are still regarded as poor.
People have 100 acres of land or 50 acres of land, and they can't afford school fees, they can't afford a square meal, and you know, you can't use the land, becomes valueless. Yet in the rest of the world, the economies you see in the West, really, every single item of asset is used as a collateral, and it's factored in the economy.
Indeed, land in Kenya remains a political hot button, but even under the new constitution, which seeks to address land inequality, challenges still remain.
The regimes that have governed Kenya have not shown political will to address that matter consistently, because they have also a keen interest in the ownership and the use of this land.
Where title deed, getting a title deed is more or less becoming a privilege, really, and governments have to announce, you know, this year we're going to give you so many titles, we shall go issue so many titles. I think that should not be the case.
Now, the question of land was at the center of the struggle for freedom in almost every country in Africa. 50 years later, it now stands as one of the biggest threats to the stability of the countries that emerged out of that struggle. Joageo, KTN, Accra, Ghana.